Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Aranha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You've got your hair colored and you're so happy, but now a thread stands in front of you. How will you maintain its luster, its shine, its volume, its thickness, its bounce? How will you keep it intact? I've got you all sorted in today's video. Watch the video to find out.
My hair is looking pretty dull and lifeless at the moment. To fix this, I'll apply a generous pump of silver shampoo powered with zinc and magnesium to reduce brassiness and in fact eliminate brassiness and reduce yellow color tones and bring out the best in my hair color. Let the silver shampoo stay on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes to achieve maximum results. After which you can rinse your hair off and towel dry it and then apply a generous dollop of conditioner. I would prefer a coconut milk conditioner. It works pretty good for color treated hair. After you're done with conditioning your hair, again, do the same thing, rinse it off after 5 to 10 minutes. After that, I apply 2 to 3 pumps of hair oil to my scalp and then massage it, and with the help of a vented brush, I distribute it evenly throughout my hair for better results. Next step is quite optional, but if you want to do it, you can. After applying hair oil, you can blow dry your hair to add more shine and bounce to your hair and bring out the best in your color. And that's it. As you can see, my hair is brought back to life. It's looking shiny, bouncy, and more beautiful again. And the volume is on point like always.
If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button down below and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram, which is @Maximus_Aranha. I'm pretty sure you love my feed. And comment down below if this helped you to maintain your luscious color. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Peace.